man go big rich, you can never see a big man when they eat. Uninvited. Like Bros Amaju now, you know go fit run into him. See how where he dey chop. If you come, if you want to come see him for office, they go say, oh, guy is having breakfast. You go wait. You know, if any big man where you see for fast food, they say, Pomo, say, no, be that Pomo, raise am. No, my Pomo dey under, no, raise am. You don't get eye to see riches, not to see big Pomo. All these Lagos girls, fine girls just full everywhere. I don't get all these boys there. Now everywhere they try girl, even for burial, I go see how 2 boys they focus. So boy, this girl we fine her, she they cry like this. If this girl smile, she go find pass like this. Boys they focus, see them. All these Bet Naija boys. We go use 100 naira they play to win 2 million. If not your papa business, go allow enter. Rubbish.
M.O.P. Laughing Star. Terra Culture, Victoria Island, Lagos. Date Sunday, 2nd March 2025. Time 6 p.m. prompt.